Hello and welcome to the channel. Well, the trunk support brace is in. Aside from some further grinding, I'll be applying some seam sealer, especially to the areas that won't be accessible after the body goes back on the frame. If you've been with us for a while, you'll remember how rotten the original trunk brace was. After removing it, a template was made and I put together a replacement brace. The installation of the brace took me several hours. I started off by attaching the brace to the floor patch with screws, then removed it to drill larger holes in the trunk floor in order to spot weld it in. I also put in the new fabricated body bolt plate nut to replace the rotten cage nut. I will have to clamp down and trim the trunk drop-off after doing my floor welds. Here's the view from the trunk after the 3/8 inch holes were drilled and the brace reattached. Next, it was time to break out the welder and attach the second to last piece of the puzzle required to put this body back on the frame. Okay, this piece, the trunk floor is, you can see the top welds. And what I did was I drilled larger holes in the trunk floor and spot welded it to the bracket. Set it the other way around because the bracket was much thicker gauge metal. And I'll take you down below and look at the Okay, and here's the brace. As you can see, there's quite a bit of wheel well repair that's necessary, but I'm waiting to take the quarters off to get to that. But the floor is good. I'm actually going to seam seal where the frame rides, just because I won't be able to get to it once the car is on the frame again. But the brace is in. I'll take it, see if I can get a little better shot. I'm going to spray a little paint on there to preserve it right now. Got some sanding to do, a little bit of, but all that's going to be seam sealed up there. So that's it. I'm not going to finish the trunk area until I patch other aspects of the trunk floor. So I'm just going to put this on hold right now. I've got one more brace to do behind the driver's door, and I should be able to get to that tomorrow. I'll post a video when that's done. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!